some of the pain points that the companies in general experience with regards to basically compliance, right? And one of the big things is basically the time-consuming activities, and a lot of companies are doing things manually. So doing manual tracking, documentation, reporting, they require a lot of effort. And of course, there's also the human error component. You have increased risk of mistakes because data entry, data transfer, record keeping, all that if you're doing a manual process versus an automated process. Lack of visibility. You don't know what's happening, from one part of the organization to another. What's happening in a particular project is very difficult to monitor compliance and status across different departments. There is, I guess, inefficiency in terms of communication. There's poor coordination between teams, between teams of different projects, because one project may be relevant to another, but the communication may not be there. And there's typically the delays, right, in terms of addressing any resolutions that maybe the team wants to implement. And maintaining consistency is a big thing, because some of the policies, some of the procedures are not applied uniformly. When you look at one site, let's say in North America, a site in India or a site somewhere else may not be doing the same thing, even though it's the same company that should be following similar procedures, because obviously somebody put them in place to be more efficient, performing certain things. But consistency of application is not there, because you have manual processes versus having an automated process where you can look and work from similar templates, similar type of standards. So that is another pain point, because one side of the business may be doing something that the other side of the business is not doing.